Fire truck. Hear it? But actually, there's no way that's actually Santa, though. It's November 17th. If that's actually Santa, I'm gonna freak out. For real, I'm gonna freak out. Cause what the freak would we do here in November? Wait. The only reason that could happen is every day in December is gonna rain or snow. We're gonna go live in a minute. Instead of Shorts live recording the possible Santa thing, because you heard the siren. Seems like there was 2 sirens at the end. No, is that music? Do you hear that? You hear that little faint sound? Tell me if that's music or not. Not the popping. I think those pops are fireworks. Freaking! I'm gonna go live.